Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. Drawing lines with precise lengths is one of the most fundamental skills in AutoCAD. Unlike hand drafting, AutoCAD allows you to create lines with exact measurements, ensuring accuracy and consistency throughout your drawings. Whether you're creating architectural plans, mechanical components, engineering layouts, or simple sketches, specifying an exact line length helps maintain dimensional accuracy from the beginning. Using exact lengths helps create accurate drawings, maintain proper dimensions, reduce measurement errors, improve drafting efficiency, ensure objects fit together correctly. Common uses. Precise line lengths are important for floor plans, structural layouts, mechanical parts, electrical drawings, and site plans. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open an existing drawing or create a new one. The line you create will become part of your drawing geometry, so it's important to work within the correct file. Go to the toolbar and click the Line button. Alternative method, you can also type Line or simply L into the command line and press Enter. The Line command becomes active and AutoCAD prompts you to specify a starting point. Click anywhere in the drawing area. This is the location where the line will begin. Move your cursor in the direction you want the line to extend. The cursor direction determines the orientation of the line. While the line is active, type the exact length you want the line to have. Example, if you want a line that is 50 units long, type 50, 100 units long, type 100, 250 units long, type 250. What happens next? AutoCAD uses the number you entered as the length of the line in the direction your cursor is currently pointing. After typing the desired length, press Enter. Result: AutoCAD creates the line with the exact length specified. The line is automatically drawn to the precise measurement you entered. Instead of estimating lengths manually, AutoCAD calculates and creates the exact distance for you. The actual physical size of the line depends on the units used in your drawing. For example, 100 may represent 100 millimeters, 100 may represent 100 meters, or 100 may represent 100 inches, depending on your drawing setup. AutoCAD measures the distance from starting point to ending point and ensures it equals the value you entered. Professional CAD users rarely draw by eye. Most geometry is created using exact lengths and coordinates to maintain accuracy throughout the project. Additional tip: for even greater precision, you can combine exact lengths with object snaps, polar tracking, coordinate entry, and dynamic input. What you just accomplished, you activated the Line command, selected a starting point, specified a drawing direction, entered an exact length value, and created a precisely measured line. Why this is a fundamental AutoCAD skill. Nearly every drawing in AutoCAD relies on accurate geometry. Learning to create lines with exact lengths is one of the first and most important drafting skills. To summarize, drawing a line with a specific length in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and selecting the Line tool from the toolbar. After choosing a starting point, move the cursor in the direction you want the line to extend. Then type the exact length you want the line to have and press Enter. AutoCAD automatically creates the line using the specified measurement, ensuring the geometry is precise and accurately sized. And that's how to draw a line with a specific length in AutoCAD. Using exact lengths instead of estimating distances is one of the key advantages of CAD drafting and helps ensure your drawings remain accurate and professional. Once you're comfortable with this technique, you'll be able to create precise layouts much more efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.